Cabo Valley Kiampok Lamchao Memorial Charitable Trust claim that the Rangoon Agreement 1967 as unconstitutional. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur will organize a mass rally on March 3rd to include Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list. "179 Nepal citizens who were rescued from illegal human trafficking from Manipur left for their home country, Nepal, today. Confrontation occurred between Manipur People's Party office bearers and party central committee members over misuse of money. And Chief Minister N. Biren along with BJP Manipur Pradesh members stay sit-in condemning the Jammu and Kashmir Pulwama terrorist attack. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, Cabo Valley Kiampok Lamchao Memorial Charitable Trust claimed that the Rangoon Agreement, which was signed regarding the international boundary between the Indian government and Myanmar government in the year 1967 as unconstitutional. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, coordinator of the trust, Sanasam Sarat, stated that the trust have already issued a legal notice to Myanmar and the Indian government concerning the land encroachment of villages of Kuatha and Howlanphai of Manipur, which is in the borderline of India and Myanmar by Myanmar. He asserted that Ministry of External Affairs India government have erected border pillar number 75 to border pillar number 82 following the Rangoon Agreement. He affirmed that no mistakes have been made. Sarat further said that there was no approval from the people of the state during the signing of the agreement and hence violated Article 3 Clause C of Indian Constitution. He demanded a resurvey of the border pillars. He further claimed that upon investigation, it has been reported that the Manipur boundary, which was once 8,650 square mile during the reign of Maidingu Bodhachandra, has been reduced by more than 1,000 square mile. He drew the attention of the state government to look into the matter at the earliest.
Confusion state labor Kwathagi numbers kamai mangi noina Jignadana lady that when Holland by in Unarure in person. Away Kanglagi Kamupulapsala Unarure Unabaduda Moin Hari Makoina agreementum Tauraga register did Amagi Matung ina Lamsi Lajabani Riba Lamsha Gamena Yaraga Laiba register did among Oirabani Adugi register did the Yauriba area do Maduda kilometer Amapakpa Kumatoi Shangba Lamsi Mangre.
As a part of the continuous agitation to include Meitei in Scheduled Tribe list of India, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur will organize a mass rally on March 3rd. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Ima Kunthongan B. Shanglin, Thangmaiban today, committee's General Secretary Kaithelakpam Bogendrajit stated that inclusion of Meitei community in list of the Scheduled Tribe is a right guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. He added, the government did not pay any attention to the protests of the people since long time back. Bogendrajit further stated that while Meitei is demanding to be ST, 6 communities of Assam had already made to the list a few months back. He added the basic requirement, that is, to send ethnographic report and social economic report by the state government has not been sent yet to the central government. He further termed such act of the government as playing of delaying tactics. The General Secretary further stated that the government has assured of fulfilling their demands many times before. He added a general strike was also called on January 21st and 22nd against the government for not taking off of vacated works, but later called off as per the request by the government to give some time. He further warned of general strikes in future and urged those organizations not to stand against a demand for conversion of Meitei to ST will not harm any other groups or communities. Vogendrajit added he does not need any group's consent for their demand. He further appealed to the people of the state to take part in the rally which will be held on March 3rd.
The government sina matam simana akang na matam mama ai sibaw tawrani ja habi da base issue si lumna lawda bagira karigino constitution na siyara ba loans everything karim ta yerani ale to poni ko ista bill sem go sunate Manipur government gi only recommend or central government na magi normal procedure si chatharaga sangada bune lakliba march ki tang hum sidai koi achoba mass rally ma chanana bai koi chatkani na koi ware blogzare January 13 na miyam na lepiramba koi general strike si koi pura handok panati yai thog leibani ko sisu darkar or di matam gi matungina soidana lakani.
Chief Minister Nongthomam Birren stated that where will the native people of the state will live if the outsiders become landowner of our state. He stated the same at launching of Senior Citizens Welfare Forum held at residence of T. Ibohal of Khabam Lamkai in Imphal East District today. Speaking in the launching event, Chief Minister further stated that Israel, in trying to save their own country, did not sell any of their land to save their country. On the other hand, he added that the people of our state are selling off their land to outsiders to meet the immediate requirement of money without giving a thought that our land is our future. He further asserted that such act is mainly done in the valley. The Chief Minister further stated that saving motherland starts from oneself. He also stated that land in the hill areas are preserved by Article 371 Clause C. N. Birren urged all the civil society organizations in the state for cooperation among one another. He further added that the state people has become one of the most ill-mannered state. So the present government will take up development projects in every way possible for the state. He further disclosed that the works are underway to construct 2 parks in every constituency, which includes relaxing place for the senior citizens and an outdoor gym.
Awang nungpok Bharat dalay river state ni pan manung loina ILP le except Assam. Akoi gide ILP le rabi 1950 de lokto kore. Geographical factor di home da Assam ga ikoi ga taina river free thara ga le ramme. Myanmar ga taina river loina mapu pan bagi port amoina le ramme bhai ta. Sahi yang khai armed forces special power ek thamjalaba matam da koi gate ki de. Sahi tare khundak padagi wana kallaga Myanmar ga koi ga tangno ga Brahma border gi issue ta wo matam da Indira Gandhi ki matam da agreement ta wo matam da ekoi gi lam pi na traga sawi ekoi gate ki de. Bharat ta merge or matung na merger agreement tangno ki agreement du matung ko yet ki de Manipur si ani thong na thugai nam matam da kana yet ki bai bak si pura nam ga lup ko thanam mani khoi aduna why Manipur kalam ji har de it's the only option linjen manaba unity am ga loina mang sang dra de ba with some policy ekoi praja gi nungnang ba Manipur state ki miyam na khalli ba aki fauri ba mayam punam mamang da gi matang soi ra lakhi ba mayam du na ngasi Manipur ki praja na anxiety hoi bani awang
179 Nepal citizens who were rescued from illegal human trafficking from Manipur repatriated for their home country, Nepal, today. Nepal Embassy Prakash Adhikari visited Manipur and verified the 147 female and 32 male who were rescued from different parts of Manipur by police, social welfare department and NGO as Nepalese citizens. Speaking to media, Manipur Chief Minister N. Birren appealed the security personnel at checkposts of border area, airport, etc. to stay alert to stop illegal human trafficking.
Biggest human rescue, human trafficking, it is becoming a routine work internationally. And in the previous days, we heard from the other countries, other places, that human trafficking is going on here and there. But in my surprise, it is happening in Manipur. My beloved sisters, daughters, brothers from Nepal. Altogether 179. We are illegally trying to traffic crossing the India-Myanmar border.
On the other hand, speaking to Impact News, chairperson of Nepal NGO, Mighty Nepal Vishwaram Khadka, who took great role in rescuing the victims, stated that the male victims were taken with false assurance for jobs at Middle East countries. He further stated that the victim girls will be kept in the custody of NGOs like Mighty Nepal for rehabilitation for some time to bring them on right path. Speaking to media, Nepal Embassy Prakash Adhikari stated that rescue works are underway for rescue works of remaining victims by contacting with other countries.
We are taking them back to Nepal, and once they are in Nepal, police will investigate and about the victims, about the trafficker agents who are involved in this, and all the girls will be kept in an organization like Mighty Nepal, who provides shelter home for the victims, and then we provide trainings and the rehabilitation process.
The remaining the persons what we came to know later that we are coordinating with other countries through Interpol also. If they somewhere they were found, then they will be checked again that where they got the permission and what the legal documents they have. And it is the government of Nepal is doing something about.
Confrontation occurred between Manipur People's Party, MPP office bearers and party's central committee members over misuse of money. The confrontation happened when party's president was accused of hoarding up a large amount of money from the shops located at the party complex near Polo Ground. Speaking to Impact News, a leader of Central Committee former party working president S.K. Maimo accused MPP General Secretary H. Geeta of issuing a memorandum on January 12 to take a large amount of deposit cash from the shops as per square feet. He added upon coming to hold a talk regarding the matter with the presence by members of the Central Committee, they were told that the party president O. Jugindro fell away. S.K. Maimo stated that the chaos occurred while trying to save the present scenario of the party. He further asserted that though MPP is a registered political party, due to non-fulfillment of the criteria of Election Commission of India, MPP is not able to produce representatives in election, and even though representatives are put forward due to non-attainment of minimum number of votes, ECI called their registration. He further stated that a registrations cancelled party cannot produce representatives at election. S.K. Maimo asserted that the aspiring upcoming Lok Sabha election candidate come MPP's president O. Jugindro should resign on moral ground. He further accused MPP's president O. Jugindro of not being a befitted leader.
Central Committee members na how irang amani how irang si MPP kannabagi adumba irang ni masi karigino haibatarabdi Jugindro sina MPP se recognize Toneraba Honorum Dava, Election Commission of India, Masakangam Dava, Mama Samasi, Election Commission of Indiana, recognized Torum Dava. Tumba, Pus Memorandum Mama Tuaga, Pana, Yam of Simba Mama, Scorpita Lupa, Lissing Marie Gaina, Torga, Dukandar, Sinti, Kongalaga, Krorka Kongalaga, qualify with the Mana, Bolekpani, Hajalaga, Gitazi and Hariba, Magi, General Secretary, Administration Haiba, Sigi Nupasga, Lotunarga, Dukandar, Sinta, threatened Dodna, Pasam Yama, Hosi Kongopa Hogre, Kongon Nanatori, Masi Aquina.
Meanwhile, in an emergency meeting of Manipur People's Party's Central Committee held today, MPP Central Committee announced that former MPP President O. Jugindro has been expelled from the party and L. Apabi Singh has been appointed as the new president of the party. In a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, the new president L. Apabi alleged former president O. Jugindro of not executing works for the welfare of MPP and also for violating the rules and regulations of the party. He further alleged Jugindro of agreed for the money coming from the party office shops and doing work as per his whims. The new president further asserted that the Central Committee has appointed him to save the party from deterioration.
Manipur People's Party gi Samvidhan gi Constitution gi Article 25 clause to gi makhada Central Committee gi majority na command torba member yang khaini pana masi ngasi gi meeting resolution number 1 rama party gi kanodagi ma tanthoye ma bu tanthoabani na party office khoi occupy taunaba yam thuna ngasi hayeng sigi manung da khoi changjan jaragani.
On the other hand, speaking to Impact News, MPP's General Secretary H. Githasan said that the president of MPP, O. Zugindro, was elected as a president during a party's election in February last year. He stated that it is unfortunate that some individuals in the Kwandari are attempting to break down the party. He asserted that office bearers of the party are accomplishing their jobs accordingly. H. Githasan further stated that S.K. Maimom, who is creating ruckus, was defeated in the party's election of president. He further maintained that for development of the party, the office bearers adopted new rates for the shops near Polo Ground. He expressed discontentment that the accusation are made to the leaders of the party without evidence. He also asserted that the party will hold conversation if it is required in the future.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯠꯇꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯋꯤꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯔꯤꯖꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯕꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯕꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯒꯨꯟꯗꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯤꯗꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ 2018ꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯗ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯖꯨꯒꯤꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯨꯞꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ?
Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress President Dr. S. Manauton left for All India Trinamool Congress today, and he have not decided which party to join in the future yet. A meeting was held at residence of Dr. S. Manauton along with his supporters from Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency. Speaking to the media, Dr. S. Manauton said that there was no conflict between him and the party. He further asserted that he left the party to solve some unresolved issues of the state. He also stated that national and regional political parties offered him to join their parties. Dr. Manauton asserted that his decision of choosing party will be done after the meeting concerning people. It may be mentioned that Dr. S. Manauton, as Trinamool Congress leader, took a great role by joining the 11 political parties who went to Delhi against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019.
Manipur gi loisinba ngamdana lairiba tongan ba aruba issue kaya se loisinna bo honarakpada khara hena saphagadaba political gi step ama lawbugi tangai pharaktaba ma leirakpadagi aina oijariba Trinamool Congress ki president gi phamse ngasidagi ai thadokjare aina Trinamool Congress pu nungaitadana sawningdana natraga aikhogi Trinamool Congress ki national leaders singa mot khetnarakpadagi aina barepsi phirepsi lawjabana chade lairiba pendabagi sigumba chauba issue kaya si loisinna bo honarakpada khara hena chawba political platform ama khara hena saphagadaba political gi mayol ama darkar oirakpadagi aina aigi rajniti gi oiba khongpamsi ai hongge haina khanjarakpani.
Works on the ongoing railway project in the state has stopped for the last 2 months due to non-payment of funds to contractors. According to sources, works on some tunnels which is nearing completion has stopped. Workers who are working on some of the tunnels had ceased their work as a mark of protest against the railway authority. It is said that the workers are not getting paid for the past 2 months as the contractors have not received the payments for the works already executed. It is also learned that the contractors also met the general manager of North Frontier Railway, Malegaon Guwahati, regarding the release of funds, but the manager informed them that he does not know when will the funds be released. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a man firing his gun wildly in air at Singjumei Chingamakong Chongtham Laikai over land dispute. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. People of Singjamei Chingamakong Chongtham Laikai were gripped in fear when a man fired his gun wildly in air. A team of police led by Singjamei Police Station officer in charge arrived at the spot. After inspecting the area, the police recovered the projectile and empty cartridges from the road. The gunman was later identified as Thokchom Churchill, alias Momocha, 34 years, son of Thokchom Sadat. There was no report of casualties after the incident. On the other hand, Singjamei Chingamakong Chongtham Laikai Social Welfare Organization, Chongtham Laikai Maira Paibi, and people of the area organized a meeting and resolved to take up way-fitted action against Thokchom Churchill. Speaking to media, Secretary of Singjamei Chingamakong Chongtham Laikai Social Welfare, Mutum Kohe, stated that people of the area condemned the actions of Churchill for opening gunfire over a land dispute, disregarding the clubs and people of the locality.
Kai mall di khote abida akhoi dum timin lai kan de angang ni ko ne na aduga mana mu gam phone bondly haire ai gas tara am ju thamni ke do ge ko ke na hai adu jo khoi ta din lai nga ga yamba ta sar mai gi pabung chi la ga wari chane po sama sama ni yung ni ko ne na club ta haire adai sa mana sama hai ta sar na lam krap sacrifice to ko di yam phasi ko le ko yam nu hai adu taw to po sama yung ge ko ke hai ta di akhoi club na authority ne te yung wa hai ba di ko chung ngam moi amin kai kai toraga mayam manung de leba mayam du ga yan ba puraga yung view ana hai club sigi meeting chi lo matung sida ngaki matung dadi samai tong yung e khole haibegi kotha nam thoga ai samakti thengnodre ma no bai kap thokta kotha na hoji thoiba problem chini.
Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, along with BJP Manipur Pradesh members, stayed sit-in at Manipur State Archives Gate, Keshamphat, condemning the Jammu and Kashmir Pulwama terrorist attack on CRPF. The Chief Minister further urged the central government to take strict actions against those culprits and to root out terrorism completely from India. Speaking to media, Chief Minister said that the government will not remain a mere spectators to planting of bombs by terrorists at schools. N. Biren is short of befitted punishment above the miscreants. He further assured of providing every possible help to the family of the father and the son who was shot to death at Chinkai Kulen under Lamlai police station a few days back from the side of government.
Yamna tamchiba minungsi yaudaba aduga bus ta chatpa khulai painaraga mayoknaba lanpham sunataba sumna bus ta magi family unaruraga hanjarakpa isam chamba singado madubu bomb ge attack toraga makhoi hatpi gi baibase khaidagi coward pangdaba singi thawongne na koina lowe that we strongly condemn such kind of barbaric terrorism. Terrorist ka mari nainaba mission prajada ki tujung piba bomb adamaina thamjanba Catholic school da woiro any part any jaga da tawri base aikhoi tumin na yenga ga leiroi phagat pa ba tawba ya ba khoi phagat li tawri aduga chap chaba makhoi da befitting reply government pigani.
Sakhok Baptist Church organized a tri-annual gathering program of churches of 53 villages of Ukhrul district under Eastern Tangkhul Naga Baptist Association at Sakhok in Fungyar Assembly constituency today. Various Tangkhul cultural programs were also showcased at the occasion. Taking part in the event, Vice Chairperson of Manipur State Disaster Management Authority, Adim Pamai, conveyed the people of the state to stand in unity despite different religious backgrounds. He stated that there is no true religion and that living in peace and harmony and acknowledging one's own identity. He expressed his desire to support the BJP government's objective to develop the hill and valley equally by the people, for it will not be possible without people's support. Adim Pamai further urged the people to extend solidarity to the candidates fielded by inner and outer BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. MLA of Fungyar, Leisho Kaishing also attended the event.
Spiritual life adu phamniya idamakta Saitan na phattabana kayagi oy yet kaya attack tawrabasu ishorga loina na samudru da ipak chatpagumna aikoigi miyoi insi asi chattana laibani chaliba asi masa gi business masa gi thabak masa gi trade masa masagi simbang loina tongali adu oiragasu ishor mahakidi loina maksak manay.
Proscribed Kanglekpa Communist Party People's War Group in a press release clarified that the clash with the Catholic Society is not related to providing seat or monetary fund during the time of admission. The proscribed party further confirmed that the only demand made by the outfit to the Catholic Education Society is to provide 10 free seats to the family of war or armed conflict victims. The press release further warned to eliminate Catholic Society from the state if they continue to act on their own while defying the ban imposed on the school by the group. All Manipur School Students Transporter Association AMSSTA in a press release informed that due to disagreement between the school authority and the members of AMSSTA, the van service for Little Flower School will be put on halt for time being. A team of Imphal West Commando apprehended an active member of proscribed KCP People's War Group who is accused in recent planting of an IED at Catholic School Kantipur from North AOC around 2:30 afternoon yesterday. The accused is identified as Sanabam Gunajit Mangang Elias Ngongo Singh, 42 years, son of S. Dhabaljit from Uripok Kabravam Laikai, who is currently residing at Kuyathong. Upon interrogation by police, the accused stated that the IED was planted for denying the 20/20 reservation during the admission of the Catholic school in Imphal as notified by the party. He further disclosed that the IED was planted under the command of the party's self-styled finance secretary, Thoi Luang Elias Baji Macha. The accused has been handed over to Imphal Police Station for further investigation. Mapari Ningsingkol Loop Manil organized 10th that anniversary of Sub-Divisional Officer Dr. T.H. Kishan, his driver A. Tokin and Mandal Y. Rajan at Mapari Ningsingkol Lampak Uripok Cherap Court today. People paid floral tribute to the portraits of the deceased at the memorial site. Singers and artists of Rubrak sang songs of tribute during the occasion. It may be mentioned that SDO Dr. Kishan, Tokin and Rajan were kidnapped on their way to a meeting at Ukhrul by NSCN-IM on February 17, 2009 and was found brutally killed at Lukrabi Bridge on Imphal-Dimapur Road in Kangpokpi district. People protested against the inhuman act and upon interrogation by CBI, the main culprit NSCN-IM Lieutenant Colonel Hobson Ningsil was awarded lifetime imprisonment at Delhi's Telhar jail.
Makoi ahungi apunba thauna aduna ngasi su akoi da pakhong amadi adum jalli thogdok asida makoi thogdok asigi matungda aikoi ngasi kaidoba tai aikoi gi tawgadaba haibabu aikoi gi chimban ani che thakha chi aga punjin manatana aikoi gi atopa lamben di ngasi phobo utri aduga aikoi punamaki mind se si radically change to su arai badi oitri sahi tara sumna lamdam asigi awabana ende bana thalaba punsil gi kuyom asigi manungda hingluraba matungda ngasi di manil lamdam asigi lekul leirai na thalaba laimai sida ngasi di Turaroi Kalaba Matunda, Manil na Miang Mapamda, declaration ama Lautok Sari. Ngasidi Manil, Lamdam Masigi Awaba Nungai Taba, Pen Naba Mayama Talaba, Lamdam Nasigi Ireta Puna Makap Aikwe, Ngasi Habanumitagi Manil, Miang Loina Tabak Wahoragan.
A team of Imphal West Commando led by Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police T.H. Krishnatombi carried out cordon search operations at Thangal Bazaar areas like Alugali, How Market and Dharmashala from 7:50 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. today. During the search operation, altogether 748 individuals were verified and 34 persons without proper identification proofs were picked and handed over to City Police Station for further verification. MLA of Sagolban constituency R.K. Imo laid the foundation stone of a new club building of Khuramakong United Club at Khuramakong Sagolban Sayang Road today. Speaking in the event, MLA R.K. Imo stated that the club is planned to be built as a multi-storage. He also expressed the need to maintain grounds in every localities to make playgrounds for youths. Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Thangnaujam Basanta inaugurated the newly constructed shrine of Loya Lakpa Laifam Lane at Yumnam Khunau in Bishnupur district today. The shrine was constructed under several fundings estimated to be around 20 lakh rupees. Representatives of Panchayat and residents of the area attended the event. MSU and Desam in separate press releases extended their best wishes for the upcoming Class 10 and 12 examination to be conducted by BOSIM and COSIM from February 18 and 20 respectively. The press release further urged the people of the state to cooperate in conduct of the upcoming examination and also urged the teachers to be on duty to abide by ethics of a teacher. 5th Maharaj Kumar Priyavarta Singh Memorial Art Exhibition 2019 was launched at Manipur State Art Gallery Palace Compound today. Arts Society Manipur Nongmaibung Lamdam Chuthek organized the third three-day art exhibition where various paintings and sculptures of eminent artists of the state are being displayed. Maharaj Kumar Priyavarta Singh Memorial Art Award 2019 was conferred to Sarangthem Bobby and Honorable Mention Award to Thiam Roman during the occasion. Manipur Development Council MDC accorded a warm welcome to Sangeet Natak Academy 2019 awardee Sagrakpam Hemanta Elias Oja Talhan today. Now the sports news. Soham Kaisham bagged the winner title of second clay court state level under 10 boys tennis tournament. In the semi-final match played today at ITDA Clays Court, Lamphilpad, Sohan Kaisham beat Lanchenba by 4-1 and 5-3 points, while in the second semi-final, Joshua TH beat Jason by 4-1, 1-4 and 10-5 points. In the final match of the tournament, Soham Kaisham defeated Joshua TH by 4-1 and 4-1 points. 5 boys took part in the tennis tournament organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Cabo Belly Kyampok Lamchao Memorial Charitable Trust claimed that the Rangoon Agreement 1967 as unconstitutional. Sadul Tribe Demand Committee Manipur will organize a mass rally on March 3rd to include Meitei Meitei in Sadul Tribe list. $179 Nepal citizens who were rescued from illegal human trafficking from Manipur left for their home country, Nepal, today. Confrontation occurred between Manipur People's Party office bearers and party central committee members over misuse of money. And Chief Minister N. Biren along with BJP Manipur Pradesh members stay sit-in condemning the Jammu and Kashmir Pulwama terrorist attack.